Hi everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode I have an amazing design from MD watch faces that I'm liking a lot. This is MD307, available for Wear OS like Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5 series. Also I'm giving away this watch face to you guys. For that, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. As always, we have limited coupon codes. So if you're not able to win this watch face, just buy it and support the developer's amazing work. Talking about the watch face design, this has a nice and minimal dark background which has a ton of information. But the main thing that I really like about this watch face is the time, which is highlighted in the center with this modern looking font. Also, the watch face is divided into two sections. The first one is showing battery percentage, heart rate monitor, and here is our custom app shortcut. Also, you can see that lower section has step goal, step counter, dual time that you can also change or customize just by a single tap like this. Talking about customization, first of all you can change the color of information highlighted in the background like this. Then you can change the color of time. I like this one, so I'm keeping that. Next thing is interesting that you can change or customize this section of the watch face. I like this retro theme, so let's choose that. And next you can change the color of second highlighted here in this corner. Also you can make the background a bit darker or lighter. At the end, date is customizable as well. So check it out from Google Play Store. This is MD307 and now let's see always on display mode. Always on display mode with this watch face has a nice and decent look. Overall the background is dimmed down to conserve battery life, but the time is highlighted in a lighter color. So that was all about for today's episode and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.